Hi friends, good morning. In this video we'll have a look at JavaScript basics. This is the real session where we are going to start with. So as I said, I have my text editor with me, Notepad++, which is my favorite, and I have my browser along with it, so which is also my favorite, Firefox. So I got two things in place. So before starting that, we'll have two things. Before learning it, you should learning any programming language, you should know how to use any debugging tools or something like that. So in that aspect, I'll start with the basic developer tool, which is called which is part of Firefox itself. You don't need to install anything. So if you install, if you click it, it will come at the bottom. So if you see here, I'll be having it. So this arrow mark, double arrow mark is the one. So I'm just magnifying it, existing it. This is called, it has three things. Not three things. This is multiple tabs. One is called inspector. The second one is console, debugger, editor, and other stuff. Okay. Let me start with the console. So the first part is like in any programming language, the purpose of the programming language is to solve a problem. So be it a ticket booking thing, or a normal simple interest calculation for a bank, or any other thing. So all you do is like do some computation and give the result of the computation to the user, so that his job is pretty easy. Okay, that is the purpose of any programming language. It is to solve someone's problem, that someone is a user. Okay, so if somebody is there, like he has to put in the information. Information is like, it could be his name, it could be his age, it could be the number of tickets, it could be his loan amount, anything. So that data has to be stored somewhere temporarily. Okay, that is, those part are called variables. Variables is nothing but like think like a box which can hold some your pencil or rubber, whatever type is. So every box can hold something. Okay, so here in JavaScript we use a keyword called var. Okay, so that is used to indicate that it's a variable, and the variable is followed by the variable name and equal to, and what is the value it is going to be stored. Okay, so that is the first thing. Let's run this guy. So I'm going here and pasting it here. If I paste it, so it is run. Okay, so if I want to print console cole dot log, if I print it, so I'll zoom it and show it to you. So here I typed in the bottom I typed the value var equal to first equal to var first equal to hello world. Okay, that the first line is executed, and the second line I'm just printing it. So printing to check whether the value is properly assigned or not. So console log first hello world. That's all I'm doing it. Okay, so it has printed log means printing the value, printing hello world. Okay, so this is the first program which you're starting with. And the second thing is like you can run any computation right away here. Okay, so the variable, if you have a space before it, it doesn't matter. So you can have any space, and let's use it for some computation. I'm going to compute some number value. So 2 plus 3 plus 5, 2 into 3 plus 5, which is 15. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 5, 11. So the answer is 11. It is given here. So if I magnify, the computed value is given. Okay, so and if I want to give the Bodemas rule or whatever it is, like you say the bracket, it gives me the proper result for that as well. Okay, so let's do this side. 2 plus 3 plus 5. Okay, it gives 16. So all I shifted is the brackets. So as you know, the parenthesis gets a higher precedence and start with it. So this is about the first lesson. So you have used a variable and printed the variable and computed some calculation. I'll do more as well, like var let's assume a equal to, use the same thing, a is equal to 2, var b equal to 3, where c equal to 5. I'm just declaring 3 variable which is holding numbers, and I'm going to declare where sum or total equal to, so a star means multiplication, a star b plus c. That's all. So if I print total, so I'll get the number 11, so which is the summation of like a is 2 and 3, 2 into 3 6, 6 plus 5 11. Okay, that's all. So these are the simple things which you are going to see in the first lesson. That's all. Thank you friends. Bye bye.